Hey YouTube, Jumpmaster RC coming at you with another bash video. So I'm out here with my Vorteks 3S. You haven't seen this one in quite a while. You can tell by looking at it, this is a new motor, a new ESC. I've had this on the bench or on the shelf for quite a while, waiting on the part to come in, and then the parts came in. Finally got it on, but then I hated the ballooning so bad, and I had to research the different tires that I was going to put on. Anyway, you have to forgive me, I'm a little bit sick. And no, it's not Corona. This is just a common cold. I hated the ballooning, so I ended up going with the MX28s. So today, we're going to test out these MX28 Belted. We've got the new ESC, we've got the new motor, standard 35mm fan, 30mm fan. I've got the Gens Ace Basher battery, 8,000 milliamp battery. The only thing I will say is you've got to take out the old, there's a block in there. So you've got to take out the block, and so you'll need to have a 2mm hex driver to do that. With that being said, let's go ahead and get it powered up, and let's see what we can do. Alright, so if you take a look at this, I don't like the way that the body blows out here on the side. I need to put some Velcro on it, but if you guys have a better idea on how to fix that, drop a message down below and let me know. Also, you'll see that the Vorteks takes a lot of damage in the corners here, and I've got a Gorilla Tape body reinforcement on here, so hopefully that'll keep that from cracking, but I don't know, we'll see. Oh yeah, and then we've got the 17mm hexes on here as well from Hot Racing with the 10mm offset. So we'll see how all of this comes together today. I'm on the stock punch setting, and because this was rebound at the factory under warranty, and hopefully our calibration issues will be over with. So let's get her done. I also have the, so right now this has the stock plastic spur gear in it, but I do have the upgraded steel spur gear. So once this goes out, I'll be putting that in. What I love about this car is that it's so zippy, right? But it was so unstable before, and the tires were ballooning all the time. I stiffened up the shocks a little bit with some of those preload clips that you could put in there. Okay. That was another thing. This car liked to dip out quite a bit. See if I can keep it on its feet, on its wheels. Okay, it can stay on its wheels, but can I stay on my feet? Lost my steering, folks. Again. Alright, looks like a new Cero's coming for this one. Boy, we're just having all kinds of good luck today. Folks, if you like what you see, well, I don't like what I see, but if you like these videos and you want to see more of them, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell, share with all your friends and family. Thanks for stopping by to watch. Joe Master RC, out.